Hi, I'm Mel and welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to start growing my April flower that I got for Christmas. It's from Urban Outfitters and I got it for Christmas. It expires in January 2020, but I think it was about £5. I thought this had on it. You can get one for every month of the year, so anyone, and I gifted these to a lot of people for Christmas, but my mum brought me this one, which is myself. It says to and from. She didn't fill it in because I didn't fill mine in either. But my birthday is April. I'm going to be 30, believe it or not, and this is my birth flower, which is a daisy. We're going to open this now and we are going to put it together and watch it grow over the next week. So I'll be back in between videos updating you all, and then by the end of this video that you've watched, you'll see it grown for a week. My mum has done hers, and hers is probably like 3 weeks now. I've not seen them this week, but the week before they were quite, like, she'd got many flowers, and hers were chrysanthemum, I can't say. I don't know what hers were, but they weren't daisies. Let's go do this. Okay, so first things first, I am going to read the instructions. I know that we need a pot, so I've just got this one, which I got from the wholesalers for a cactus, but I'm going to use it because I've not used it yet. So I'm just going to read the instructions. The birth flower of April is a daisy. It represents innocence and gentleness. What's inside your gift box? 1 pack of daisy seeds, 1 coconut husk starter plant pot, 1 coconut husk compost disc, 1 plant marker. How it works: place disc in a pot and add water. Watch disc expand, sow your seeds, place it on the windowsill and water regularly and watch it grow. Okay, let's open it. Packet of daisy seeds. Oh, blimey, Angie. Okay, we're gonna get a bit mucky. Never mind. Okay. Is that all it tells you what to do? Okay, so we are going to didn't want to do that. Put this inside here. In this pot, I have put in the coconut husk, and then this lump of dirt goes in it, which is where it expands. So put that in there. Clean up the side that I just made a mess with, and then it says watch and add water. So I'm going to add water now. Okay, then this should expand. Which is getting there. I think I put too much water in. Okay, it's expanded now. Just looks like a big black hole for you. There you go, it's expanded and it's enough. I just mushed down the sides a little bit with the stick. It doesn't tell you what to do with the stick, but I'm pretty sure my mum just had hers in like that. So we're going to open the seeds now and grow some daisies. Right, I'm going to say better if I'm not holding the camera. So we're just going to pour in the daisies. I added a little bit of water to it just to kind of sow the seeds in, and that's what it looks like. Now it tells me just to put on the windowsill and regularly water it and watch it grow. So this is it. I'm going to put it in the windowsill now. And then this is where it will be for the next week or so while it grows. So I'll be back pretty much every other day, maybe every third day, to water it to see how long. So we are day 4 or 5 into this. This is what it looks like. I think like I need to sow the seeds a bit more maybe. But anyway, I'm going to put the water, just water it now anyway. Maybe that was a little too much, but there we go. I know I shouldn't really be doing this bit, like sewing the seeds back in, but they were like that the other day and then they've like popped back up. But anyway, there we go. It's the following Monday night now. I'm trying not to get my shadow in it, but it looks quite wet. Mouldy maybe. It can't look mouldy. It might be just where it's growing through, but that's what it looks like. I'm tempted to put some more water in it, but I just thought I'd come on here and show you that there's 2 little bean sprouts, 3 even maybe, 4 growing. So I just wanted to show you that they were growing. And obviously I've filmed this for like 2 weeks now, so I feel like I should stop filming it, but they are growing. So that is where mine's grown to in a week and a half, 2 weeks I'd say. Okay, we are 3 or 4 weeks into growing these now, and you can see there's quite a lot growing. They look like watercress, that's what I'm thinking of. I'm not sure, I need to work out with my mum what to do once they're like sprouting like this. I think I need to empty it and take it apart, but they're pretty good growing, so it does work. But obviously there's no daisies poking out right now, there's just leaf. So it's been 4 weeks and I've obviously updated you every now and again, and you can see they've clearly grown, and a lot of them have, so that's really good. Just need to keep them maintained now and make them grow into daisy somehow. I need to work out that bit with my mum. But anyway, that is my review for it. It does work. It's worth the £5 that it costs to buy, and it's such a lovely gift to give someone. I think, you know, to see, I didn't even know what my birth flower was, let alone think it would even be a daisy, but to see their birth flowers grow and what they grow into, etc. I think it's lovely for all ages and people. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, give it a big thumbs up and comment down below if you know your birth flower. What birth flower are you? Thanks for watching. Bye.